This episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef is brought to you by Miracle Noodle. Go to miraclenoodle.com to order and use code WARRIOR at checkout for 10% off. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef. I am Lisa, your host, and today we're going to make a stir fry with shrimp and tofu over miracle rice. It is super low in calories, super low in carbs. You can substitute out any protein you like or any rice substitute that you like. You could use cauliflower rice, or if you weren't counting carbs, you could even use real rice if you were so inclined. This is just super low. I think it's about 5 grams net of carbs. The whole dish, the entire plate, is 250 calories. And on WW Smart Points value, it is 1 point. So, here we go. I hope you like it. It is ingredients time, and here we go. You can mix and match these as you like. I'm going to use shrimp and tofu. You can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use just tofu, just shrimp, you can use scallops, whatever fish you like, lobster, you name it. So, I'm using 6 jumbo shrimp. They're frozen, and some extra firm tofu. I have chopped up a radish, some ginger. This is some frozen broccoli, a carrot, and some scallions. My seasonings, salt and pepper, of course, some organic bone broth, 1 packet of stevia blend sweetener, olive oil spray, liquid aminos or low sodium soy sauce, and sesame seed oil. This is toasted sesame oil. For our rice, you can choose whatever base you like. You can use real rice if you're not counting carbs, but if you are counting carbs, Miracle Rice makes this new formulation rice. Keanu, please get down off the table. And this is their organic version. Or you can use cauliflower rice. And that should do it. And I have to get the kitten down because, look. Keanu, down. Please. Please get down. No? So we are going to start by infusing some flavor into our shrimp and tofu. Spray the pan, first with olive oil spray, and a drop of sesame oil. We're going to let that heat up. So I'm going to add my ginger. Scallions. And as this heats, it's going to create a nice base for the shrimp and tofu. So now this has started to sizzle a little bit. Flavor that oil. Now I'm going to add some bone broth. It's about a half a cup. And we're going to add our shrimp one at a time. And we'll also add our tofu. And whatever other vegetables you might pick up along the way. Down. Okay, so I'm going to cover this. I'm just going to let this simmer until it comes to a slight boil, and then we're going to check it. Okay, so now that our shrimp are pink and cooked through, we can remove them to a plate. And we're just going to cook down the rest of the sauce. season this now with some pepper, salt, some liquid aminos. You notice I don't do anything particularly precisely. I just kind of know by eye how it's going to taste. But I'll give you some measurements to start with. And now we're going to continue to cook this down. So now that our vegetables are nice and tender, and this has cooked down a bit, I'm going to add our little packet of sweetener. Again, you can use monk fruit, you can use honey, maple syrup, whatever fits into your plan. And now I'm going to add my miracle rice, and I have just drained this. Throw it in and let that get all nice and incorporated. Let that simmer again for maybe another minute or two. Okay, so that looks great. Let's add back our shrimp. Again, we'll let those flavors meld, cook off a little bit more liquid, and then we're ready to serve it. So here we go in a nice bowl with some chopsticks, and you can drizzle it with some sriracha or sassy sauce or any kind of chili paste, whatever you like. Let's dig in. Okay, let's just taste this awesomeness. It is really good. I think you're gonna love it. Well, that was it for our episode. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a comment, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thanks so much for watching.